Welcome Lawns, zip code 29568 to your August local market update for single family residential homes. We're at the very bottom of this graph here for 2024 in August, 341 378, definitely up from July of this year at 307 502. So you've gained some quite a bit actually right there. That's awesome. uh, let's see, 144 compared to 145 in July, compared to last year, August, 147 days on market. And the price per square foot went down a little from July, but look at the average sales price went up. And let's see, what was it from August? We're down actually from August of last year too, at 141 to 137. Still overall, it's still good. Prices are doing well. 3.0 inventory. Look at that, month supply of inventory went way down. We have 237 to 228 compared to last year, but 244 we had more inventory, or excuse me, active listings, I'm sorry, which is inventory. Same thing. So let's see. So we had 244 in July. We're at 237, so we have less inventory. 98 pending sales compared to 100. Compared to last year, we are up 63.98. That's a big difference. And closed sales 84 compared to 70 last year in August and 75 in July this year. So, with that being said, call me if you have any questions. This is always helpful, and you can go up and look at these graphs on your own. I just don't have enough time to go over them. Thanks for watching. Take care.